Hi, this is a video on role management, how to manage 1,000 roles for a whole bunch of users. There's a free app called Draggin Roles. It works great in Classic. It's got a classic feel. You go to the App Exchange, you look at it right here, and just install it, right? It's a great app. Let me show it to you here in the org. So it's roles and all related things to roles, and here's the overview. You go to your org, you're in Classic. It renders nicer in Classic. I know. I love Lightning too. You go down to a thing called roles. It's not Draggin roles, it's just roles. I'll have a special tab here. Here it is. Then there's a whole startup thing, blah, blah, blah. But what you do is you click on it right here, and then there's a couple things like show all users. So it's super easy to see where the users are, rearrange the users, etc. That's how you can manage 100 users or 1,000 users, or just see if it makes any sense. If you're going to reorganize like a territory or division, you can use Draggin roles. It's free. So you look at here. Oh, and here's all the additional fields you can show, like forecasting, or who's using DocuSign, or who's using EcoSign, or who's using SurveyMonkey, or who's, all those things. See, it all goes down. It's a pick list, really straightforward, and you can just go through it here. Okay, when was the last login? Who's allowed forecasting? I always like to look at, let's see what else. DocuSign, marketing, that means who can import 100 million leads, right? Who's doing campaigns, etc. Who's doing exactly and doing quoting, right? Or for commissions, etc., etc., etc. And this then shows next to the users that are in a role. A role next to the users, and it just works. And there you go. See, that's a display. Next. Now, and next you'll see expanded version of this. I've blocked the users, but here you can see who has marketing, who has exactly, who has knowledge, who has DocuSign. It works great for handling large users. It's a nice matrix. Thank you so much, Danke.